Alright guys, this here is a custom 10K gold double tooth grills. So you got a set of two for the top teeth. They have the diamond dust finish, two-tone. This is solid 10K gold. Turn it around for you. You got your stamp right there. Okay. And it's double caps, custom fitted for a perfect fit. You can get these on our website, blingcartel.com. Check that out. It's a two-tone with that diamond dust in the middle there. Finish. Look at that. Beautiful grills, guys. Order on blingcartel.com. That's our website. You get free shipping in the US. You also get a free mold kit. Alright. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.